Hi guys, this is Kianne and I am doing the new TOT houses that have just been done. And the first one that we're going to, excuse me, is, let's have a look. It's Shadowdancers TOT18. The owner is Shadowdancer. It's on the Small Homes. It's newly published, #1. And its decorator is Quiarrah. So let's see how I get on with this. Because my computer is absolutely playing up. So it's just going to hopefully not take too long. This is really nice. I like this. Okay. Let's have a look. We've got a couple of books here. TOT18 Decorator. Hello. Welcome to my Neriac home. Here are a few things that you need to know. I'm a shadow knight who sometimes brings home her work, and you, my friend, have free range to how you like to decorate. I have no colour preference, just not too girly. There are some house items in the moving crate if you wish to use them, and a Guildhall door for your ease. The important thing is to remember is to have fun decorating. This is a TOT house. If you need a room extension, please let Aney know and they'll make it. Dread Knight, Shadowdancer, they're tricky. Oh, excuse me. Okay, it's a note from Quiarrah. It says, Shadowdancer, something happened during Night of the Dead. Something spooky, something bloody. Oh wait, that's another story. Well, anyway, you had several decorators, one of them being me, Quiarrah, another being Devilkiss. We came together to do this house especially for you. We hope you like what we did with the place. Okay. Right. So I'm just going to put this on the... So we've got also the decorator. Let's add this Devilkiss and Aney. Okay, so we just add those to them as well, just to give them the props for the decorators. There you go. Yes, that's it. There you go. Right. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, this is nice. I do like this. I like the outdoorsy. I like what you've done here. You've made these into hedges. That's really good. I like that. I did that as well in the one for Luna. It's really nice. I like this. I like the shade. I like the choice of colours. They look really nice. Okay. So who have we got here? Whoops. I don't think they've got a name. No, they haven't got a name. Okay. This is really good. I like this. I don't have my camera working at the moment because that's just pushing my luck with my computer at the moment because it's just really not working very well. This is really nice. I like this. Very nice. Ooh. So sweet. Oh, I like the table. Yep, my computer's froze. Sorry about this. 1 second. It should come back. So did everybody have a nice Night of the Dead? I hope they all did really nice things. Halloween. On game, off game. There we go. So should be back. Hopefully he won't do it again. Right, let's put myself forward. I discovered pumpkin. Never had it before apart from this new Halloween. And I love it. Absolutely love it. And my computer has gone again. So if you see me stopping and starting every so often, I do apologise about this. It is literally, my computer is really it's not very well. I don't know what's the matter with it. I've defragged it, and it's not doing anything. I see. Okay. So I like the tables. This is nice. Fish supper. Very good. Oh, I like the kitchen. Oh, that's a good idea. I like that. I like this. Very nice. Oh, nice use of that for a sink. That's really cool. Oh, look. Oh, I didn't. Oh, we've got it. Oh, look at that microwave. That's really good. I like that. That is very good. I like that. And the fridge, freezer, and the cooker. Very cool. I like this chopping board set. That's really nice. I like that. Very nice. Perhaps I should duck back into Luna's and add some more stuff. Okay, cool. Okay, so upstairs area. Very nice. I like the travel things there. Very nice. Oh, what we got here? Oh, excuse me. All these ornaments are really nice. I like them. They look really nice on there. Oh, and you've got a window looking out down there. Empty book for doing some writing in. Oh, and a bathroom. Oh, I like this bathroom. Very nice. That's sweet. Cool, I like this. Very nice. Did I see there was a... I thought I saw something. Oh, no teleporter pad. Okay, so... let's just have a look who did what again, sorry. Downstairs, Devilkiss, balcony, Aney, and upstairs, Quiarrah. Right, okay. So, balcony. I think I just went on the balcony. That was the balcony, wasn't it? Was that the balcony? It must be the balcony. Very nice. It is very nice. I like this very much. I do like that kitchen. That is splendid. Absolutely splendid. I like this, yeah. I like this, how you set it all out anyway. So it's really cool. Ah, I see. Yeah, that's the balcony there. No, that can't be the balcony, surely. I don't know. I haven't seen a teleport pad. So... But I like all the travel things. What, I don't know what this is. What's that? Ooh, travel to the plains. Oh, don't know. Very nice. I hope I haven't missed anything. Because there's a bathroom. I don't think I've missed anything. I can't see a teleporting pad for a balcony. Unless that is the balcony. I don't know. Anyway, I really like it. I think it's really nice. So well done to you all. Awesome. I like the garden. I think that's really nice. I like the garden. And flowers. Yeah, cool. That's really nice. I like that. So, this was Shadowdancers Tot18. The owner is Shadowdanzer. The decorator is Quiarrah, Devilkiss and Aney, and it's on the leaderboard on Small Homes #1, and it's all on the Skyfire server. So all the ones I'm doing, if I can get them done today, I'll get them done, which will be Skyfire. So let's just give it a like, and I will leave you with this absolutely lovely view of the garden. I love it. I think it's very nice. So take care, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.